What's up, Wonders of London fans? This is your tour guide Rob, and I am on the Mall just outside Buckingham Palace. But let me tell you folks, today there is something pretty unusual here. As we pan over, you're about to see the elephant in the room, or multiple elephants on the road, or the Mall as it is known. This Mall, spelled M-A-L-L, is kind of a red sandstone, a red carpet linking Buckingham Palace. But as you can see, there's something pretty unusual going on today. So we'll have a little bit of a walk around. And there's been lots of wildlife conservation projects in and around London. In fact, if you've been over to Spitalfield Market recently, you'll see a lot more elephant statues. Of course, protecting the environment, wildlife, and these amazing creatures. Guys, I want to thank you for watching this very short video with us here at Wonders of London. If you'd like to leave us a comment, a like and a subscribe, it helps us out a bunch, and we'll see you a little bit later on.